वक्त के साथ सब ठीक हो जाता है. Time heals everything. I'm sure you have heard this a lot of times, but is that really the truth? Think about this thought, वक्त के साथ सब ठीक हो जाता है. It's basically just saying that give it time दो फिर भूल जाओगे. The effect of हाँ बहुत टाइम हो गया उस बात को, effect kicks in. That does not mean that the wound has healed. Whatever mishap has happened in your life, चाहे तुम एग्जाम में फेल हुए, तुम्हारे एग्जाम में मार्क्स कम आए, तुम्हारा ब्रेकअप हुआ, तुम्हें जॉब से निकाल दिया, whatever happened, ये बोलना कि वक्त ठीक कर देगा एंड 1 साल 2 साल 3 साल बाद फ़र्क ही नहीं पड़ेगा, in my opinion is not the best way out of things. It's not about time. It's not about the time gap between the event happening and wherever you are in life right now. अगर तुम बस टाइम दे रहे हो उस बात को कि हाँ बहुत टाइम हो गया है, you're not healing it. It's still there. The wound is still there, and any time in the future you face a similar experience, that wound will come back. वो एक और एक कहावत है ना कि पुराने घाव में नमक छिड़क दिया, something like that. That is what will happen with you. And have you realized that कुछ लोगों को थोड़े दिन लगते हैं किसी चीज़ से ओवर होने में, किसी को मंथ्स लगते हैं, and किसी को सालों लग जाते हैं, but they still don't get over whatever bad thing has happened with them. Have you ever thought why? Sure, different people have different capacities, different beliefs and all that, but I think it's how much you grow as a person. For example, एक बाल्टी है, बाल्टी के अंदर एक बॉल है. If I am बाल्टी and that ball is my grief, if that balti keeps growing bigger and bigger, that means that if I grow as a person, if I keep growing as a person, if I meet people, if I get new experiences, if I learn and all that, and I'm growing on a daily basis, मेरी बाल्टी इतनी बड़ी हो गई है कि बॉल बहुत छोटी है. And now that doesn't really make sense. It does not impact my life. It's negligible, right? And that is how I feel it works. Because with time you grow as a person, people feel that वक्त सब ठीक कर देता है, but it's not वक्त जो सब ठीक कर देता है, it's you as a person जो सब ठीक कर देता है. And because different people have different growth capabilities, different potentials, different ambitions, कोई बहुत जल्दी ग्रो होता है, कोई बहुत धीरे धीरे ग्रो होता है. जो धीरे धीरे ग्रो होते हैं वो उसी बात को पकड़ कर रखते हैं कि यार मेरे साथ इतना बुरा क्यों हुआ, यार मैं फेल क्यों हुआ, यार मेरे साथ ऐसा क्यों हुआ. But on the other hand, people with the growth mindset who want to grow quickly, not only do they have the move on वाला attitude, but because they're growing so quickly, because उनकी बाल्टी इतनी जल्दी बड़ी हो रही है, the painful factor becomes irrelevant. It becomes so small that they don't care about it. They only care about their growth. So next time you face an obstacle, for say you go through a breakup or you get fired from a job, have empathy for yourself, feel your feelings, but at the same time change your mindset into a growth mindset and think ahead. Think about your growth, grow as a person, and you'll forget the pain even before you realize. And I'm telling this to you out of experience. Personally, in college, I have faced some kinds of failure which hit me very, very hard. I was devastated. I cried, and I cried for just one night. And I looked at myself in the mirror. मेरा शक्ल पूरा लाल हो गया था, आंसू बह रहे हैं. आई रिमेंबर्ड कि हाँ बचपन में ऐसे रोता था, वैसी शक्ल हो गई थी, बच्चे की तरह पूरी फूल गई एंड ऑल दैट. एंड आई टोल्ड माई सेल्फ दिस इज़ नॉट द पर्सन दैट आई वॉन्ट टू बी. ठीक है, फेलियर्स हुए, आई लर्न फ्रॉम इट एंड आई ग्रो. इन द नेक्स्ट 3 months, इन द नेक्स्ट 6 months में इतनी मेहनत करूँगा कि लुकिंग बैक एट दैट फेलियर आई वुड से कि यार अच्छा ही हुआ फेल हो गया, बिकॉज अगर वो नहीं होता तो मैं जितना ग्रो नहीं होता. And I'm proudly saying this, that it did happen. That failure happened twice in my life. Once it happened in 2019 summers, and then it again happened just before college ended, right? And I grew a lot after these 2 failures. It's like वो failure हुआ, अगले 3-4 महीने में बहुत ज़्यादा ग्रो हुआ, फिर stagnancy आई, फिर मैं fail हुआ, फिर बहुत ज़्यादा ग्रोथ आई. And that's how it has been a upward trend for me. So next time you fail, next time you go through a breakup, or next time you get fired, or whatever happens with you, remember to have a growth mindset. Remember, the more you grow as a person, the lesser the pain becomes. Work on yourself, work on your growth, and great things will happen to you. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any other questions, if you want a video on a particular topic, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you guys.